Welcome to the SmartLink AI training video series. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create QR code for your product catalog in SmartLink AI. Just select the product catalog option. Now you are in data entry section. Insert your business name, phone, email, website URL, address, your opening hours. You can also add social profiles to your QR. Now you can upload your logo image. Favicon. Catalog name. Font size. Categories. Products. Product button. You can also add code in advanced section if you want. You can design your QR according to your choice. By clicking on Next and your QR code is ready to use. Just download your QR code in your desired format. Thanks for watching video.